मडगांवा रवींद्र भवना कडेन ट्रॅफिक आयलंडाचेर जॅक सिकेराचो पुतळो बसयतात तितल्याचेरूच राजकारण. पुतळो बसोवंक खंय हरकत ना, मात प्रक्रिया कायद्याक धरून ना म्हूण 13 नगरसेवकांनी तकली वयर काडल्या.
एक मिटिंगेक एक मिनिट्स रिकॉर्ड केल्ले वता ते कन्फर्म करपाक तशेंच दुसरी मिटिंग हाडचे पडटा. हांगा त्या मिनिट्सांतूच गोळ जाता हे कितें?
Agenda every minutes whatever is taken the decision scanning is done.
If anything, if CEO does anything this, we will see that CEO will take in the court.
Get the same design from Uday Consultant, who is an imperial design before inviting expression of interest. Why before? First you follow all the rules and regulation and then you give it to him now whatever is to be done.
नगराध्यक्ष म्हणटा कायदेशीर बारीकसाणी मुख्य अधिकाऱ्यान तपासपाच्यो.
Ultimately would mean amendment to the not amendment but it would be correction to the minutes or confirm before they come for the confirmation. So I will take legal opinion on this and accordingly act legally. Whether we are correct or wrong need to be seen.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस आणि भीमा पाटील.